Hey foodies, craving a flavor explosion? Today on Blogging Good Food, we are serving up peanut butter desserts for the ultimate peanut butter lover. Trust me, this is a treat you don't want to miss. Peanut butter bliss cupcakes. These cupcakes are a peanut butter lover's dream. Moist, fluffy, and oh so delicious. The secret, a generous dollop of creamy peanut butter in every bite. Warning, you might become addicted. Nutty peanut butter brownies. Meet the brownies that redefine indulgence. Fudgy, nutty, and downright irresistible. The magic, a perfect blend of cocoa and peanut butter. Don't blame us if you can't stop at one. Peanut butter banana dream pie. Banana and peanut butter unite in this dreamy pie. It's like a slice of paradise on a plate. Creamy peanut butter, filling meats, ripe bananas for a flavors symphony. Trust me, you'll want seconds. Peanut butter ice cream extravaganza. Brace yourself for an ice cream extravaganza. Peanut butter ice cream in all its creamy glory. Each scoop is heavenly blend of sweet and salty, pure happiness in a cone. Peanut butter and jelly cookies. These cookies are like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich but better. Sweet, salty, and an absolute delight for your taste buds. Imagine a buttery cookie base cradling a perfect mix of peanut butter and fruity jelly. Divine. Peanut butter lava cake delight. Prepare to indulge in the ultimate chocolate and peanut butter love affair. These lava cakes oozes with a molten peanut butter center, creating a decadent symphony for your taste buds. The marriage of rich chocolate and velvety peanut butter is a match made in desert heaven. Peanut butter and pretzel truffles. Elevate your taste experience with these irresistible peanut butter and pretzel truffles, a perfect balance of sweet and salty. These bite-sized delights are coated in a crunchy layer of crushed pretzels. One bite and you will be hooked on this gourmet treat. Hope you enjoyed this peanut butter fiesta. If you are not craving peanut butter yet, you will be. Like, subscribe and stay tuned for more culinary adventures.